Hey there, mateys. This is Discovery Scouts, a Pirates of the Caribbean film series here. But I got a little bit hiccup, just to be very careful for my smoke. For today is the night, it's Monday, and it's about November 21st. Shit. And this is today's will be about November 21st, 2016. I have to start running, so I have to change out for about my playlist at about Man of Steel fight battles and the Battle for the Five Armies too. Extended edition. Something that happens. It's just something about slowly timed about 10 minutes ago. I have an exchange review if you guys wanted to see it about for the theaters for now. And one of the such things about Xenobuza and the Battle of the Five Armies, towards the Battle of the Lonely Mountain, Siege of Dale, and unfortunately it could be one of the side is it could be one of the easier about the falling out for Thorin and Philly the Keely and Bog and Azog. Okay. It's not gonna work. My heart beating, I just hiccup with my body. I just got a hiccup with my body. It's got a heartbeat. It looks white and yellow for a circle of an oval. Anyway, in the time in ago, I have too much eating stuff for the things for eggs. I made it omelets, hash browns, and dirty rice. That makes me hiccup anytime when I was running from about 3:30 to 4:55. I have a workout to do. Without walking, exercise, eating vitamin C's, 6, 4, and six gummy bears every day. I just a little bit cough. Can you guys look up? Oh. Mateys, I just hiccup a little bit coughing, so I do not want to get myself sick. For every days in the week and the month, before and after, and almost about 61 days. Like you're only thinking about a workout for about 7 days to the week in the month and year. Damn it. Well, I'm just saying so. I don't hopefully just have to stop talking. I gotta have to stop hiccup up at any time. And that makes me awful. Was supposed to do. This is terrible happens. This is really something about a characteristic. If you notice about it, characteristics. I just want to look up for the skies. I was gonna have to take a deep breath as I can. You know what, Mateys? I cannot believe when I just hiccup any time. Just about 100 times I find a cat laying out of there. There's a lot of smoke. There's a lot of smoke inside the house. My brother Frankie made of my dad's salmon and vegetables in a stir fry. Now he needs to stop eating the bread for hot food and stuff. And there is a subcutaneous and visceral fat. The under there and under the muscular system for fat. That's where we're gonna call it subcutaneous and visceral fat. Like he says, he had no idea. We just had to stop eating for too much. Yeah, spiking, walking for exercising, and I have a definitely be having some to do. Some of it we will do. That's what they call it, the weights, mateys. So I'll have it very to do much of you in any time at every moment. So 10 minutes would be a lesser size, even I haven't noticed of what the means to it means about it again to anything, some of the times a lot of it being a lonely, emotional series. I have a question for you guys about the once in it before, and so I just go out for a jog in around at about 4 laps. For I do the Marine Corps jogging to recruit depots from Marines. So I decided to ran back around at about neighborhoods. This is where right to the Jordan's house is. This is where it came from, home to CBU for junior year. I just came to the working out at about the abs, do it lower in the upper, and the tricep kickbacks, and shoulder press forward, and do my squat, and the bicep curls, doing the 10-pound. This is why to do medicine ball setup, doing my crunches. That's why I do my stop. That's why I do to lose my belly stuff. If you do setup crunches, why I just came for the jog. For morning, noon for walking. Aftermath. Sometimes we have to do better that. So take some vitamin C's. There's a smoke inside. There's a smoking inside the house. There's a cooking in the kitchen. That's why I gotta have to put the things mask on. Yeah. So not a big deal. Okay, mateys, still for us, this guys more content or www.com.gore. So follow me on the friends, the fan site, according to the Pirates of the Caribbean film starring Dog Us. So follow me on follow me to tell about anybody with recorded histories to notifications. So tell me Jugga Nuggets, Big Brother, Jordy Starbarger, K Behind the Camera, Bridget West, and Manning Corn, Juliet Riley, Psycho Dad, Larry's Lounge, Psycho Mom, and Melissa, Psycho Uncle 1 through 3, Psycho Uncle 1 through 3, Psycho Aunt 1 and 2, and Joe Bump, Boogie 2994, Crazy Boyfriend, Crazy in Love, Grandpa's Corner, and man, I got a hiccup to do. So Creed, Bro Squad, Ragging Dad, Diesel Daily, Q Big Eye, The Q Big Eye Life, Nest Boog, Life of Boog, The Boo Show, Space Jam's Gardens, Life of Moko, Forever Alexana, Allison and Daryl on Instagram. Logan Lerman, best friends ever. For Percy Jackson film series, Baywatch, Bearing the X, The Choice, Indignations, Noah Fury, and City Hall 2017, Baywatch. And We Will Always Live at the Castle when we first met. So follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Google, find Situation Lines and Gaming Charts, Juggy Stores, Cockatoy, Talk, Tomalau Play Stores, and Hangouts. So don't forget, guys, and So don't forget about the friends and the subscriber 3, Nanny Giles, LA Giles, and Ben Phillips. So don't forget to keep it with your mates, and ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget about praying for the praying, BF versus GF. So don't even forget to those guys from a continent. So see you guys tomorrow. So don't forget soon about life with subscribers, the love of guys and the death. Don't forget. So keep it with your mateys.